For this exercise, place a stability ball against a wall and lean against it with the ball placed at your lower back. You'll want to keep your core engaged and your shoulder blades down and packed. Try to think that you're putting your shoulder blades into your back pocket. You're going to want your feet about hip to shoulder width apart and placed slightly in front of you so that you can comfortably lean into the ball. With your arms down at your side, you're going to slowly lower into a squat. As you come back up to a standing position, you're going to raise your arms up in the shape of a Y, only to about shoulder height or slightly higher. The use of the stability ball for this exercise is really good for beginners, as it will allow you to develop balance and good posture. Adding the Scaption movement with the dumbbells is a posture correctional exercise which can also help reduce pain and the risk of injury, and overall is just very good for shoulder health. If you spend a good portion of your day sitting at a computer desk, this would be a great exercise for you to incorporate into your workout routine.